everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. I don't come again, no, with another ogbonge matter, my darling people. Today, na about Shine and the Papa Waila. My darling people, who una go blame for this matter now? Who una go blame? Because he gets some point when I just see now when Shine they talk, say Papa Waila tell am say this one a lesson to side chick them. This one a lesson to una. Very big lesson. Una don't ever see man. Mona watch this video to the end though. Mona watch am to the end because I go like Mona leave una comment because una don't ever see where side when Sugar Daddy go one friend side chick, he go tell am say your wife too nice. No, he go spoil the wife because he won't get that thing where they in between your leg. Abi? Shall say Papa Waila tell am say he want that voice his wife. He go divorce his wife. Follow him. My darling people. So you can't really believe. Say Papa Waila go come leave his wife for you. Like now make you really leave the belly. No wonder. And Mona listen, you know.
He brought his friends along to my family house because every Christmas he go to visit to pay homage to my people. And he pleads with me that the area okwevarie, the anya you wala okwevarie, area okwevarie, you wala okwevarie, a senior bodagie okwevarie. Ni la go. I will not cross paths with you wala where I will be with him in Nigeria because he's doing most of his business in Nigeria. So at the end of the day, I was like, okay, this man is really genuine. He pleaded with me.
Okay.
So on our way, the next year, Iju Waila Ora divorcing her officially. So Ora divorcing her, she will be a single mother on her own, collecting.
So wait some my people. So una hear that one, that one lad. So you can't really believe say Papa Waila go divorce his wife. Una hear say Papa Waila tell am say he go divorce Mama Waila, come follow her. No wonder when you can say no, you die there, my people.
Welfare. I mean, what do they call it in abroad there? Collecting social welfare money payments from all those Oyibo governments there. So this year when he get collected welfare, by next year he will announce it to Iju Waila that is he has me in his life as well. So the senior brother can bear me witness. Everyone love them bother. Okay, who you talk show when you ma promise.
Now today, now he may start to deceive woman, my sister. Now today, when man want jogodo with you, he go lie. He go lie. Say he want leave his wife. And you can't really believe, say the man go leave his wife, come meet you. Wife, we don't suffer, follow her. You know how the test starts. Those money where you see where your eye enter shine. You know how those money take come. You know how those money take come. This woman suffer, follow this man. I even hear say that he bring Papa Waila come Europe. So you be just believe, say, Papa Waila will come divorce his wife, come meet you. Na people more na here, oh. Married people, married women, married man, I beg. This one when Shine talk so, no not feel say Papa Waila purposely he lied to her for that one just to say make a day with him. He said most of the man investment in Nigeria there he did. The man come tell her say she go dey Nigeria, then the Mama Waila go dey Europe. So you can't really say no problem. Young guys not for Nigeria there. If you not just see our jando, they come Nigeria. Una gonna use body, they find them more than jogodo with them.
Marriage, but his senior brother Mondiedo will bear me witness. And so no muna. Everyone I'm coming we are da or your power money or your power money. Oh, on a come we are on a promise senior brother get we are me. I was your son they call him from a suit on a we are me on a waiting against the banyan. On your power.
My sister, not the swear. The mistake has been done. Those swearing not just matter. Now, so you first still come out to begin to swear for your children. No, your children not dead there when they promise you all those things. Your wife not dead there. His wife not dead there. When I'm not son of the earth that woman, Una even know. Say na that woman now na the odds. Una even know. Una even know, but una will just dey drag the woman name. The woman picture don full everywhere for social media. Then they say that I even born J boy, Monica Pikin. That one say they corner there. Even bless you, see come out that they say see give one get belle, bless that one see go remove am. My sister shine. Only this one a very big lesson to side chick them. Because this sugar daddy, they will make you people a single mother. Yeah. Now what did they lead to? Now be that one. You will never evolve for this thing now. You shine, oh, take get sense. You shine, oh, take get sense, my people. Because sugar daddy, they get sweet smart. They go only lie to you, say they go marry you, whereas they don't go marry you. They just want jogodo with you. Shine, what me see for there? Those money where shine can't they see for the man a person where they spend money for women. Now the money where shine they see for them, now it make shine say no, I die here. Now it make shine say no, I die here. Because if not be the money, what it go make you? What it go make you as you find rich? You know if you find better guy, you be even a door actress. You know if you find better guy for them, you follow. You can't say na papa Uwaila, now you want come follow. When you Uwaila na person na in born. You get one interview. You my sister, you too, you see the lie. You get one of your interview that time where you for talk say papa Uwaila not tell you say you get wife. The person where they interview you can't ask you say where to be because say Uwaila na somebody born Uwaila. You can't say na somebody born Uwaila. Later you can't say yes. He tell you say two of them not there again. My sister, be like say you don't forget that interview. My people. Who na go blame for these two people now? Shine get big blame. How you go believe man? Man tell you say he want divorce his wife. You can't really say no problem.
Out of ya, can you tell me ya fefe no reading your body?
It is well.
It's here Dumezedo. Until this very moment, Dumezedo, if you are ready for DNA for my
Only way to go solve this problem be say na DNA test because the man say he not believe whether na he born the pikin. Na wetin the man talk. So we not gonna know who they talk truth now for the two of them now. This one are just big lesson, very big lesson. What do you not think? Very big lesson for side chick them. Very very big lesson. If you not see sugar daddy, all those who now where they in Nigeria, they wait for our job, don't make they come around our husbands then. Now what you happen to shine? I go the happen to now. Una better be careful for married men body. Wanna be careful for married men body. Man don't marry. You say no. He tell you say you want divorce your wife, may they collect. Your wife you can't be single mother, they collect money. And you now can't really say you can't really be happy. You don't apply before. She go to Nigeria, then the man go to Europe. Then you come the woman go to Europe, you go to Nigeria. Now so you be want to plan about the man not agree. You see huh? First way you say tell you say you go marry two wives. But when the belly come, you not gonna tell you say you go remove her. So my people, if anything they wanna feel do for shine, wanna do for her. For me, she don't make mistake, she don't make mistake. Me she not gonna carry the blame. I just want to hear that part for say, Mama Uwaila, Papa Uwaila tell her saying go divorce his wife. Like seriously, we don't want for the apple. My people, anything wanna think about the video, wanna leave a comment for the comment section. After I talk and reach today. Thank you. Bye.